In fact, my colleague Viren Gunawat is joining us this morning from Mumbai on that secret meeting which has miffed Uddhav Thackeray so much so, Viren, that BJP top leader was summoned by Raj Thackeray last night after the secret meeting. But considering that Raj Thackeray's MNS did not win a single Lok Sabha seat, is too much being seen in this meeting between Nitin Gadkari and Raj Thackeray?
Lot of things is happening. In fact, it's a future plan as well for assembly polls, which is expected by the end of this year in Maharashtra. Nitin Gadkari has a cause of concern that because of MNS, BJP and Shiv Sena had lost many seats in earlier 2009 Lok Sabha, and that situation shouldn't arise once again, and BJP and Shiv Sena shouldn't lose many more seats this time. So that's bit the Gadkari is trying to see, and that's why he had a secret meeting with Raj Thackeray twice. In fact, even in some days back, even in Nasik, Gadkari and Raj Thackeray had a meeting, and they were sharing a similar dice. But everyone knows that there's a tussle between Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray coming together. Even sources are saying that Raj Thackeray had approached Shiv Sena to join the Mahayuti, but he had a term that he wants 3 Lok Sabha seats, and definitely he would like to join Shiv Sena. But that time Shiv Sena had totally denied, and they have rejected the proposal of Raj Thackeray. Even saying that if you have no terms and condition, then you can join the Mahayuti. But now the ground reality is that Gadkari had given a carrot to Raj Thackeray that if you don't contest Lok Sabha polls, that's what a request being proposed by Gadkari. Then right. they might work out a situation that in the assembly poll they might give you some more seats, or they might take Raj Thackeray MNS party in the Mahayuti. I think overall Uddhav Thackeray had made it very clear that they don't need MNS in Mahayuti. BJP and Shiv Sena is quite enough to defeat NCP and Congress in state government. So it's back to square one. Gadkari proposal had fallen apart, and Uddhav Thackeray had made it clear that they don't need MNS and Raj Thackeray in their entire Mahayuti to fight against state government. Back to you, Ruchika.
There's clearly no love lost between Uddhav and Raj Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray once again asserting himself, telling BJP in no smaller words that they can defeat the Congress and the MNS on its own steam. Thank you very much, Viren, for joining us this morning with that update.